Welcome to MV E-Learning Academy. Don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell icon. Today we are going to discuss about articles. What is the meaning of these articles? Alright, what are these articles? Articles consist of three words. Those words are a and the. Today we are going to discuss two main articles. Those articles are a and an. Now before discussing these two main articles, we should know the meaning of singular nouns and plural nouns. Not only these, we should have an idea on countable nouns and uncountable nouns. I hope all of you have a brief idea on this singular and plural nouns. But what are these countable and uncountable nouns? Okay, countable nouns. There are some examples: ball, bag, egg, apple, and student. So now all of you are getting an idea. These countable nouns mean an object what can be counted, what have a numerical or what have a sort of value. Now when you consider ball, plural form of ball is considered as balls. At the same time, we can consider ball as a countable noun. The reason is we can explain it or we can tell it as two balls or else 5 balls. Likewise, we'll be able to express it in a quantity. Express it on a quantity. Now, what are these uncountable nouns? Uncountable nouns can be considered as a noun what cannot be counted. What for what we can't give a numerical value. For example, water will be not able to tell 2 water wrong. We will not able to tell that 2 water or 3 water will be not able to give a value. So likewise, there are some examples. Those examples are meat, rain, coffee. When you consider for these nouns, we can't give a numerical value or else we can't count them. So those nouns, the nouns what cannot be counted as considered as uncountable nouns. The nouns what can be counted has been considered as countable nouns. Right. Now we learnt about countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Only for countable nouns we use articles. Only for countable nouns we use articles. That is a basic rule on English grammatical language. So for uncountable nouns, we are not going to use articles anymore. So we will just forget and neglect about uncountable nouns. Here we have a set of countable nouns. Those countable nouns are in singular form. Now the reason why I am telling these countable nouns are in singular form is we are using articles only in singular nouns. At the same time, those singular nouns has to be countable nouns. Now we discussed the difference between countable nouns and uncountable nouns. So we are not going to use any articles on uncountable nouns or any articles on plural forms. So I have neglected uncountable nouns and plural forms. Now we are going to discuss countable nouns in singular forms. Now, how are we going to use these two main articles, a and an? And where are we going to use these articles, a and an? Now we have to consider first letter of these countable singular nouns. We have to consider first letter of these countable nouns, whether it's a vowel or a consonant. Now You know that in previous sessions we discussed about vowels, and at the same time we discuss about consonant. Letter D is considered as a consonant, so we use day. Letter D, first letter, is considered as a consonant, so we use a. Then a day. Boy, again the first letter is a consonant, B is considered as consonant, so we use a boy. So bat, a bat. Girl, a girl. Song, a song. Now, as I have told you, we are not going to use an article on uncountable noun, or else we are not going to use an article on plural forms. Now, if we mention a day as a days, it's wrong. It's considered as a grammatical error, because the reason is days, word days, or else noun days is considered as a plural form. So we have to keep it always in our mind. We learn about article and, or else where are we going to use this article and. Before that, I would like to remind you about vowels. I have told you in alphabetical order there are 5 letters. We call them those 5 letters as vowels. Those letters are A, E, I, O, U. So we use article N on countable nouns. Those countable nouns must be, or else have to be, in singular forms. At the same time, first letter of the singular noun in countable noun has to be a vowel letter. So we use article N in front of it. For example, apple, first letter of the word apple is letter A. So you know that letter A is considered as a vowel. Then egg, letter E is in first, so letter E is considered as a vowel. Then igloo, I is also a vowel. Orange, letter O is also a vowel. Umbrella, letter U is also considered as a vowel. So in the first letter has to be a vowel, should be in a singular form. At the same time, it should be a countable noun. So we use article N. Then an apple, an egg, an igloo, an orange, an umbrella. So I would like to remind you all, these letters or these words, these countable nouns should be in singular forms to use the article a or an. We are not using articles a or an in any plural forms or any uncountable noun. I hope all of you got a brief idea regarding these articles. Now, the next session is going to be on Sinhala explanation about articles conducted by Mrs. Minoli Fenel. So, don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell icon. We are MV E-Learning Academy. Thank you very much. Stay safe.